Dear students, in this slides, I am going to discuss about the numericals on a lenses cases. First example we will take, find the focal length of the lens shown in the figure. So in the figure, the given lens is convex lens and it is kept in the medium of refractive index 1, that is air, and lens refractive index is 3 by 2, which is made up of a glass. And this biconvex lens is having the radius of curvature 10 centimeter both sides. So how to solve this? We are going to solve by using the lens maker's formula, which is 1 by f is equal to mu 2 divided by mu 1 minus 1 multiplied by 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, where mu 2 value is given, mu 1 value is given, r1 r2 are same, but for the r1 we will going to take it as plus and for r2 we will going to take it as minus. So by substituting 1 by f is equal to mu 2 is 3 by 2 and mu 1 is 1 minus 1 multiplied by 1 by r1 is radius of curvature of first lens and minus 1 by r2 is radius of curvature of second lens, that is minus 10. And this implies 1 by f is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 multiplied by 1 by 10 minus of minus will become plus 1 by 10. So by solving this, we are getting 1 by f is 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 10. 2 get cancelled. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by 10. This implies f is equal to 10 centimeter. One more example. First one, if focal length f is equal to 0.5 meter, what is the power of the lens? And in second one, the radii of curvatures of a faces of a double convex lens are 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Its focal length is 12 centimeter. What is the refractive index of the glass? Third one, a convex lens has a 20 centimeter focal length in air. What is the focal length in water? The refractive index of air-water interface is 1.33 and the refractive index of a air-glass interface is 1.5. So to solve this, we are using first formula, that is a power of a lens, which is 1 by focal length f in meter. So by substituting 1 by focal length given is 0.5 meter, so it will become 2 diopter. So given a radius of curvature R1 is plus 10 centimeter and radius of curvature of second surface is minus 15 centimeter and focal length of the lens is 12 centimeter, we need to find the refractive index of the glass with respect to air. So we are using the lens maker's formula, 1 by f is equal to refractive index of a glass with respect to air medium minus 1 multiplied by 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So focal length is plus 12 centimeter, therefore it is 1 by plus 12 is equal to refractive index of the glass with respect to air minus 1 multiplied by 1 by 10 minus 1 by 50. That equal to the refractive index of a glass with respect to air minus 1 multiplied by 1 by 6. Or refractive index of a glass with respect to air minus 1 is equal to 0.5 by solving the above equation. So refractive index of a glass with respect to air value will become 1.5. Here the focal length in a air is given as plus 20 centimeter, the third question. Then by using the lens maker's formula, 1 by f is equal to refractive index of a glass with respect to air minus 1 multiplied by 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So by substituting 1 by 20, focal length is positive, 1 by 20 multiplied by refractive index of a glass with respect to air minus 1 multiplied by 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So as the refractive index of a glass with respect to air, we got 1.5. So we are substituting then value of 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 is becoming 1 by 10. If Fw is the focal length of the lens in a water, then by using the lens maker's formula, 1 by focal length of the lens in water is equal to refractive index of a glass with respect to water minus 1 multiplied by 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. That is equal to Ng divided by Nw minus 1 multiplied by 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, where Ng is absolute refractive index of a glass with respect to vacuum, that is 1.5, and Nw is 1.33, which is absolute refractive index of water with respect to vacuum. So answer will become 1.5 divided by 1.33 minus 1 multiplied by 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. As the refractive index of a glass with respect to water can be written as the refractive index of air with respect to water into refractive index of a glass with respect to air, that is equal to refractive index of a glass with respect to air divided by refractive index of water with respect to air, that is equal to 1.5 divided by 1.33. So by solving this, 1 by the focal length of the lens in a water is equal to 1.5 minus 1.33 divided by 1.33. Here we have taken the LCM 1.33, and under bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, that value will become 1 by 10 by substituting. Or by solving this, we are getting the focal length as 78.2 centimeter.